Hello, my students. Everyone, how are you? Today we'll solve cumulative assessment, weekly assessment number 7 this week. Okay, third unit in geometry and measurement. We will talk about the area of rhombus, knowing the lengths of its diagonals, and the area of square, known lengths of its diagonal. First, we must know the rule of area of rectangle and area of rhombus. We know rhombus is a parallelogram which two adjacent sides are equal in length, and the area of rhombus equal base times corresponding height or side by height. Today we will solve all questions by this rule: half times diagonal 1 protected by diagonal 2. We know two diagonal in rhombus are perpendicular and not equal in length. Then the area also equal half protected by diagonal 1 protected by diagonal 2. We have two diagonals here, not equal length but perpendicular. Okay, and we also will study here in this lesson area of square. The area of square we know equals side by side. We study this at grade 5 or grade 3. Area equals side by side or side power 2. It's area, okay, by square. But today we will talk about the area of square equal half product by diagonal power 2. Okay, because square is a parallelogram which two adjacent sides are equal in length and the measure of each angle equal 90 degrees. Okay, so in this example or this lesson, we will solve these questions by using this rule: half times diagonal power 2. Okay, okay. First question here, question number 1. If the area of square is 50 square units, then find the length of its diagonal. Okay, we know square has four sides equal lengths and give us area equal 50 square units. Then what's the length of its diagonal? Okay, we know the area of square equal half product by diagonal power 2. Then area was 50 equal half product d power 2. So d power 2 equal 2 times 50 equal 100. Then the diagonal will be square root of 100 equal 10 units. Okay, then the length of diagonal here you call this diagonal. What's the meaning of diagonal? Diagonal is the line segment joined between two opposite sides, two opposite angles, A, B, C, D. AC diagonal and BD diagonal. Two diagonal in square, two diagonals in square are perpendicular and equal in length. Then the length of diagonal will be 10 units. Next question, number 3. If the area of rhombus is 20 square inches and the length of one each diagonal is 5 inches, then what is the length of the other diagonal? Okay, we have rhombus. He gives us in the example the area and the length of the first diagonal. You can write the rule: area equal half product by diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2. And the area was 20. 20 equal half product by diagonal 1 was 5 product by diagonal 2. Then we can find diagonal 2 by write 2 times 5, 2 times 20 divided by 5. Then diagonal 2 equal 20 divided by half of 5. We can divide it by half of 5, right hand side, left hand side. Okay, or 2 times 20, 40. 40 divided by 5 equal 8. Then the length of diagonal equal 8. 8 what? 8 inches. Okay, it's diagonal length of the other diagonal. Next question, number 4. Calculate the area of square has the diagonal length of 6 feet. Okay, we know the area of square equal half diagonal power 2. Okay, because two diagonal are perpendicular and equal length, then the area will be equal half product diagonal power 2. Diagonal here is 6 power 2. Then the area equal half product by 6 by 6 equal 36. Then half of 36 equal 18. Okay, the area will be 18 square feet. The area will be equal 18 square feet. Next question, number 5. Calculate the area of rhombus. The length of its two diagonals are 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, we can find the area equal half product by diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2. Then the area will be equal half product by the first diagonal 10 and second 8. Half of 8, 5. 5 times 8 equals 40. And the result will be 40 square centimeter. It's the area of rhombus. Next quiz here. Number 1. If the area of rhombus is 75 square units, then what is the product of the length of its diagonals? Okay, we know the area of diagonals, the area of rhombus by diagonals, half product by diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2. He gives us the area was 75. And 75 equal half product by diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2. He won't find the product between diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Then diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2 equal 2 times 25. You must cancel half by product reciprocal of half with 7. Product by 7, or sorry, product by 2, left hand side and right hand side to cancel half, okay? Then diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 equal 2 times 75 equal 150 square units. Okay, then diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 equal 150 square units. Next question. Number 2. If the area of square 32 square units, then find the length of its diagonal. Okay, we know square, two diagonals, perpendicular and equal in length. Then we can write the rule area of square equal half product by diagonal power 2. And then put area equals 32 equal half diagonal power 2. Then 2 times 32 equals 64 equal diagonal power 2. Then diagonal will be square root of 64. Then diagonal equals 62 square root of 64 equal 8 units. Okay, the diagonal here will be 8 units. Next question number 3. If the area of rhombus is 40 square inches and the length of one of its diagonal is 10 inches, then what is the length of the other diagonal? Okay, we know the area equal half product by diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2. You know diagonal 1, diagonal 2, we call this diagonal 1 and this diagonal 2 also, okay? Because two diagonal perpendicular and do not equal in length, and the area of rhombus equal half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. He gives us the example area was 40. In 40 equal product by the first diagonal here was 10 inches, and the second, I don't know the second, I won't find. He asked about the second diagonal, or the other diagonal will be what? You can write half of 10 equal 5. Then 40 equal 5 product by diagonal 2. Then diagonal 2 equal 40 divided by 5 equal 8. The length will be 8 inches. Okay, it's diagonal number 2. Next question number 4. Calculate the area of square has diagonal length 12 feet. We know the area equal half product by diagonal power 2. Then the area will be equal half times 12 power 2. Then the area will be equal half of 144. The area equal half of 144 equals 22. Then the area will be 72 square feet. Square feet. Question number 5. Calculate the area of rhombus, the length of each two diagonals 6 and 4. Then the area will be equal half times 6 times 4. This area will be equal half of 6, 3. 3 times 4 equal 12 square centimeter. It's the area of rhombus. Okay, half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Next question. Number 1. If the area of rhombus is 100 square units, then what is the product of the length of its diagonals? Okay, we know the area of rhombus half product by diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. He gives us his example area was 100. 100 equal half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Then diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 equal 2 times 100 equal 200 square units. The result will be 200 square units. Okay. Next question number 2. If the area of square is 450 square units, then find the length of its diagonal. Okay. We know in square two diagonals are perpendicular and equal in length. Then you can find what? You can find the diagonal by the rule. Area equal half product by diagonal power 2. The area was 450 equal half product diagonal power 2. Then 2 times 450, it will be 900 equal the diagonal power 2. Then diagonal will be square root of 900 equal 30 units. The result will be here 30 units. Next question, number 3. If the area of rhombus 80 square inches and the length of one of its diagonal is 10 inches, then what is the length of the other diagonal? Okay, we can write the area of rhombus, half product by diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2, and then put in the rule area equal 80 equal half product by diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Okay, he gives us the first diagonal here was 10 inches. Then 80 equal half of 10, it will be 5 product by diagonal 2. Then diagonal 2 equal 80 product divided by 5. Then diagonal 2 equals 16. Okay, diagonal 2 will be equal 16 inches. Okay, next question, number 4. Calculate the area of square diagonal of 14. We know the area, half product by diagonal power 2, it's square, okay? Square, because two diagonals are equal in length and perpendicular. Then the area will be equal half product by diagonal power 2, which will be 14 power 2. Then the area will be equal half product by 14 by 14. Then the area equal half of 14, 7. 7 times 14. 4 times 7 equal 28. 8 and carry up to 1 times 7, 7 plus 2 equal 9. Okay? Or you can write half of 196 divided by 2. Then the area will be 98 square feet. Next question. Calculate the area of rhombus. The length of its diagonal 12 centimeter and 10. We know the area of rhombus. Half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Then the area will be half product by 12 product by 10. Half of 12, 6. 6 times 10 equal 60 square centimeter. Okay, it's easy questions. Okay, goodbye.